this is my Ipsy box. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I hope you are having a great fall. And I am catching up on a lot of my boxes. So you have probably seen videos from other YouTubers 100 times over. But maybe you have room for one more. So I did get my Ipsy Glam Plus box. And I know they are changing things around. And I think the regular bag's going to go to like $12 or something. So I'm not sure all the details, but this is the one that has like full-size products, and that's what I really like. So you open your box and it's got the card with everything in it. Now I have seen so many spoilers, so I don't know, we don't all get the same box. Let's see if it says what version I got. I think I got back version 19, or maybe not. I don't know. But I've seen so many that I probably know every single product that's in every single box. So the first thing is the Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. I am currently using the Murad facial wash. I'm not sure if we got it in an Ipsy or if we got it in a BoxyCharm, but that product smells so delicious. So I'm going through that cleansing thing. So this will be exciting to try this as well. You just use it at night, massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. So I will, since I will be using it, I will destroy the box. Again, it's a great bottle. Okay, the next thing in the box is Illa Masqua lipstick. And I have the color Cosmic. I think there's different variations of these lipsticks, so it looks like the variation I got would be a perfect color for me. It comes beautifully packaged, easy to throw in your purse. There's nothing worse than throwing a lipstick in your bag, the cap falls off, and the next thing you know, you have lipstick everywhere. So this is the color. It's a beautiful color. With the light, it looks a little lighter, so, but yes, definitely something I will use, and the cap will stay on. Okay, the next thing, and I've seen this in I think almost everybody's box, is by Wanderer, and I think it is the eyebrow pencil, if I'm not mistaken. Excuse me, destroying things. Okay. Very slim. It's a very pretty. I'm not going to open it. Just trying to look. I'm pretty sure it was the eyebrow pencil, but I will look at that. Just a minute. You guys are like tipping. Okay. The next thing is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder by Ciate, London. I love getting powders in boxes, but we have been getting quite a few of them. So I'm not going to open it because I'm using the one we got in our BoxyCharm, the cool one. So, but this definitely is a nice powder. And if I don't give it away before, I'll let you know how that works. And the last thing in the box is Midi Palette Miller Squad by Madison Miller. And, excuse me, I'm destroying. So let me know if you guys are big Halloween people. And if you are, oh, that hurt, sorry. If you are big Halloween people and you post videos on your YouTube channel of all your great decorations, please let me know. I just love watching those videos. So this is the palette. You can see, sorry, a little interruption there. So the last thing is this highlight palette. It looks like highlight and blushes. You can see that. I'm not going to swatch because I am currently using the Tarte palette that we got and had the 4 little squares on there, the highlighters. So if I have an opportunity to give this away or if I need to use it before then, but I really like the palette. So let's just review everything that's in the box. I didn't think this is one of their best box. I don't know why. I'm definitely going to use the Murad, but it just seems like we're getting powders after powders. The lipstick I'll definitely use. So the Il Masqua lipstick in Cosmic retails for $27. I stopped paying in the 20s for lipsticks like when Clinique and all those products started going into the 20s. I liked, I can't think of the name of the other one, but that was going into the 20s. It's something that you get at like Macy's. So I wouldn't pay 20s for lipsticks. The next thing is the Ciate London translucent powder that values for $22. I've never had to go out and buy a powder because we get so many. So is it worth $22? Then the Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. I thought it was an eyebrow, and that retails for $21. I do need a good pencil. I will try it out. Won't do it on camera, but I will try it out. The Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum retails for $72. Shopping for these type of products, I believe it's a high-end product and it would value at that. And then the last one is the Ophir Cosmetics Madison Miller Square Palette. Retails for $35. And although I'm not going to use it right now, it is a beautiful palette. So it was definitely worth more than the $25 that I paid for the box. I have some unbaggings to do of their smaller one, and I'm probably going to cancel those. I'm going to try the BoxyCharm. They came out with a new bigger one. I'll probably keep it to BoxyCharm and Ipsy, and if Ipsy doesn't really do it for me, I'll probably cancel Ipsy. But I gotta think on that. So let me know what you thought. I know a lot of you got this box, so let me know how you liked your box. Comment, 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 and as always, you guys have an awesome day.